girls, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Pen Pal with me, episode 2, and this Pen Pal with me has taken so long just because me and Annie have been both like really busy with I've been busy doing YouTube videos and like summer PE, which you guys will see videos about that later on, and she's been busy with other things and we couldn't like drop off each other's stuff. So now we're finally getting around to it. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for more pen pal videos. I know it's been a while since my last one, but I'm super excited. This pen pal with me, it's gonna be an orange theme. So this is what Annie's pen pal looked like. Her like letter looked like. So she had, it said 2, but I took it off, and then it says from Annie. It's a purple theme with butterflies because it's my aesthetic. I won't be doing too many voiceovers in this video just because I want to make sure that it's super relaxing for you guys. And she did another one because she thought that the purple one just was like messed up because I guess she like maybe spilled something, but really I do not care because everything in it was so cute, and the cow theme one was so cute also. So you guys will basically see everything's self-explanatory. So again, I won't be doing too many voiceovers, but you guys, if you want more content, subscribe. You should follow me on Pinterest. Took me a while to say that. On Pinterest, I think it's studying_angel, but again, if it's not, I will link it down below so you guys can look it up. For watching this, thank you so much for these 2 letters. Are so cute. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I got from her letters. Obviously I already showed you, but I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm going to use. And again, I said it's an orange theme, the fruit and the color orange. So these are all the things that I'm going to be using. You guys will see it. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory. I actually didn't end up using the book, but I thought I would, but I didn't because I feel like it didn't really go with the whole theme. So yeah, this is everything I'm going to be using in today's Pen Pal with me orange theme video. everything else in the before was kind of self-explanatory, like washi tape samples, sticker samples, but this is me writing my rough draft for the actual thing, and then me actually doing the draft, like me actually writing it out, because you know I need to know what I'm gonna say and answer questions that she asked in her letter so that I could respond and ask her things and just kind of, you know, do stuff. And then here's me just swatching all of the orange markers, pens, anything that I was gonna use. Also, let me take this time to say, if you guys have any suggestions for videos, I love to hear you guys' suggestions, so comment them down below, or you can even message me on Pinterest and I will answer. Just make sure you say for your YouTube channel, because then sometimes there are some random people that message me on Pinterest and I don't know who they are, and sometimes I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna answer them, but make sure you say for YouTube or something like that, and I will respond to you and respond in the comments. I'm always here. So yeah, another thing is, you guys may be wondering why I haven't posted like a Tuesday video in a while. And it's because, again, I said that I'm gonna be busy during the summer, but I am gonna be posting maybe extra videos for you guys. So it's not gonna be every Tuesday, but hopefully it is Tuesday. But again, all of the videos that I post, like the ones that are absolutely going up, are my Sundays videos, so make sure you stay tuned for Sundays videos. Before, but I actually really didn't like how some of the things that I made turned out, like the answers and the questions. Oh my goodness, the questions looked so bad. Like I could have done so much better, but I didn't redo it because I really didn't have time to, because I really wanted to get this video up for you guys. Also, I didn't want to like waste supplies, but I did start over a couple times with different things. The problem with the questions is that the marker I used was too thick and I should have used a pen, but I didn't. The playlist was also too wide, so it didn't fit in the envelope, so I had to fold it. If you hear noise in the background, my neighbors are outside, so it's kind of annoying. But as I was saying, I was like answering the questions and doing all of this stuff, and I thought it looked cute, but then at the end it kind of just didn't. So it's not my favorite overall pen pal, but I still love to pen pal, and next time I promise you guys it will be a lot better than this, because this is just terrible, like absolutely terrible. So yeah, but you know, we all make mistakes and we all gotta learn from them. The very last thing that I made that wasn't like super self-explanatory is this little canvas. I actually ripped off like a big canvas and then cut it to make it to size. And then this little coloring book has like little quotes or things about the picture in the corner, so I cut them out and I'm just gonna glue them. Oh my goodness, what the heck? Those are my neighbors. see, this is just my personality. But I cut them out and I put them on the canvas, glued them, and it looked really, really cool. I really liked how it looked. And I put the cat one in the center because I know Annie likes cats, so I just put it in the center. And then boom, boom, that's how it came out. So that was basically everything I did for this. I put it in the actual like goodies bag and then sealed everything with gold washi tape, but it didn't stick, so I glued it on, but it still looked really good. You guys are gonna see soon. I put the goodie envelope and the letters envelope into one. The extras, I call them goodies sometimes because Annie says goodies sometimes too, so it kind of just stuck. But then I drew an orange in the front and also added the labels to and from. Again, if you hear background noises, I'm sorry, my neighbors are being really annoying outside, but it's fine because we have to get through this. Anyways, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Once you guys subscribe to the channel, you're instantly part of the Angels team, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll be part of the #Angels notification team. Comment down below, and maybe I will start doing shout outs. If you guys want me to do shout outs, comment down below. You want me to do shout outs? So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys.